Learn how to make baked buffalo cauliflower bites. They're one of the most easy and tasty cauliflower recipes known to man. Plus, it's one of those recipes for quick and easy dinner meals. Buffalo cauliflower wings are great quick appetizers for parties and game day events, like Super Bowl and March Madness. Hi, I'm Jenna from Sit Bite Go, and today I'm sharing with you how to make buffalo bites. They're baked in the oven. You can serve them with blue cheese, and if you don't look at them when you're eating them, you might just think you're eating chicken. Which makes absolutely no sense, but my point is that they taste delicious. So I'm about to jump right into the ingredients and the step-by-step guide, but before I do, don't forget to subscribe to the Sit Bite Go YouTube channel. So even if you've never learned how to make cauliflower in the oven, these tasty cauliflower bites will be a success on your first try. I basically guarantee it. I used to think many cauliflower dinner ideas were boring, but this version of cauliflower buffalo bites is one of the most tasty cauliflower recipes because it includes Frank's hot red wing sauce. This version is different than other baked buffalo cauliflower bite recipes because it includes red onions. If you don't like onions, then just leave them out of your buffalo cauliflower wings. They'll taste delicious either way. Adding red onion is like a little surprise. It's really easy to dice up and throw into the bowl. This wouldn't be a true chicken wings alternative if it didn't include the good old blue cheese and cilantro on top. You can also serve it with carrots and celery if you want to go for the whole buffalo chicken effect. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper so you don't have to deal with the mess later. Preheat oven to 450 degrees. In a bowl, mix together the cauliflower, onion, garlic salt, butter, cilantro, and Frank's hot sauce so they're evenly spread throughout. Spread the mixture onto a sheet pan and bake in the oven for 20 minutes for the first round. After the buffalo bites cook for 20 minutes, take them out of the oven, add the remaining 1/4 cup of Frank's hot sauce, stir up the mixture so it all is evenly coated, and stick the mix back in the oven for 10 minutes. You'll know the cauliflower bites are ready You'll know the cauliflower bites are ready when you can stick a fork in them and they are no longer raw. It's nice when they still have a little crisp bite to them. You don't want them completely mushy either. Serve the cauliflower bites with blue cheese and a sprinkle of greens like cilantro. I really can't take how difficult it is to eat chicken wings. There's so much picking that goes on. By the time you get down to the meat of it, there's barely anything to eat. I like these cauliflower bites because they're so easy to make and they're really easy to eat. And you still get to enjoy them with buffalo sauce and blue cheese. It's the best of every world possible. I hope you enjoy making these cauliflower bites for your next game day event. They're such an easy recipe and so much easier to eat than wings. You can find the step-by-step directions at sitbitego.com. I'll also leave a link under this video. If you have any requests for me, feel free to send them my way, and I hope whatever team you root for wins. Because I don't really care who wins most of the time. Anyway, hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers! I think green herbs look good on every food possible, so that's why I say to throw in some cilantro. I've also used basil and parsley when in a pinch. These vegetarian cauliflower bites can be made vegan by leaving out the blue cheese dressing. You can make these bites for football games or basketball games.